welcome back to my channel. My name is Kayla Rundle. If you do not know me, I am currently with Cole Reynolds.
Hello everybody.
He is from Dallas. He is currently building a love truck, which I didn't know what that was. So what is that?
A love truck is a truck that Chevrolet produced in like the 70s and 80s, but mine isn't really love truck anymore. It's a little different.
It's full race car. He's redone it all.
Yeah, built a full tube chassis for it, mid-engine. She can input some clips, you know, like right here.
To show what it's
somewhere.
like.
Yeah.
It's actually fully built. It's not finished yet though. He's waiting on the transmission, right? And
yes,
so
still doing lots of fab work.
hopefully by the end of this year it'll be ready. But since he is a suspension and car master, I guess he's gonna tell me if this car actually handles good, since I just recently installed the Detroit Speed suspension. I got the lower control arms, trailing arms, end links, sway bars, and camber plates, along with the KW coilovers. They are the Club Sport 2s. Hopefully I said that slow enough so you guys can understand what I just said. But if you guys go check out my previous videos, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. I installed them myself, and this car rides so amazing. It made a world of difference, and it actually doesn't spin anymore, which I was having lots of problems with my wheels hopping as soon as I get on it, and now it almost feels slower because it doesn't feel as crazy because I'm not wheel hopping. But it's a lot of fun, and I guess he's gonna ride along with me. And also go check out his channel because he just took my car for a spin. He didn't stall it like Mia did, but it's okay.
The car feels really good. You know, I've driven a lot of 5th gen Camaros, everything from BMR suspension ones to Ride Tech, and now I can say I drove one that has all of the Detroit Speed parts on it. So, car feels amazing. And shout out to her because I know a lot of guys out there that wouldn't install their own like suspension parts and coilovers and stuff. So it's cool that, you know, you were able to do that. If any of you guys can't or say you can't do that, just try it. It's not as hard as you would think.
Just DM me and I can help you through it.
Just watch her video and
Yeah.
you'll learn like exactly what you got to do.
Yeah, it's not that hard. It's just like Legos. It's just bolts.
Yeah, that you got to torque properly.
Yeah, but that's in the instruction manual, like Legos.
Yeah.
All right, but let's go for a spin and get this car started. Yeah. Let's hear that chop chop. Guys, this car is sitting so low. This side's not even as low as the other side. I can almost fit my finger in there, but it doesn't go. This side is so dumped. That's way on my tire. It's so low. It does scrape a little as I drive, so you gotta be careful with that. We're not gonna go over any crazy speed bumps or anything, but taking this thing around the corners feels so good. Also, Illuminati's Pizza.
So y'all will see crazy hair from both of us. My hair isn't that long.
Your hair is not. It is long though.
Yeah.
Yay! I've only driven this thing a couple times in the suspension. Oh, let's get a parking spot.
This parking lot is tight.
Don't see that often. Do you, Cole?
Jeez, watch where you're going.
Seriously.
I like how much more aggressive you drive your car than I was. I was like babying it. I was like, I don't get scared. I've driven and rode in a lot of race cars. I typically never get scared. Kayla kind of scares me.
Really? I haven't gone on it yet with you, like full on doing anything crazy.
Yeah.
But now that this car handles good, the confidence level goes up.
Once you get in alignment and get it like all finalized and good,
Oh yeah, then
it'll be
really
awesome.
Nice.
You have to bring it out to an autocross. You should do Grand Champion at LS Fest. Like do the Grand Champion.
Really
yeah,
fun.
like autocross it, drag race it, do everything.
It'd be really great content too.
It would be really good content.
And I could show the full experience of like going like in competition for the very first time and all that, which would be pretty interesting because it's, even for me, I'm like kind of scared.
Yeah.
But I'm like, I know I can do it and I'll probably be fine.
And everybody will be so supportive. You need to get the thumbnail like.
That's so funny.
Yeah, there you go. I'll do it like quick for a second, like. Thumbnail right there.
Perfect.
Influencers
Seriously.
in the wild.
Literally.
I'm not an influencer though. All I do is just, you know, I'm just tightening up my belt.
To save yourself. I had this, okay, I don't know if you know about this, but I had this conversation the other day, and I've always wanted to put this on my channel, but that harnesses are very dangerous for street use.
They can be, yes. I wouldn't recommend ever putting a harness or even like a roll bar or roll cage in your car if you're just gonna drive it on the street and not like race it a lot.
Because if you get in an accident and like you don't have a proper like Hans device or anything, your body doesn't have any momentum forward and it'll snap your neck. Correct, that's what I heard. So everyone always asks why I don't have harnesses in this car and make it look like a full race car. That is why, because OEM people do a lot of testing with these seatbelts and they're very safe.
And I like it. It looks simple, it looks clean, right. It's not overdone. It's not like some people's cars where it's just like super flashy,
super
and kinda,
extra,
yeah.
And then still this slow.
Yeah.
Which this car is really fast for like the street. Like.
But so many people have like harnesses and stuff and that never race it, and so they don't even need harnesses. But
exactly.
Dude, the car culture, like there's an R8 right there. The car culture out here is so cool.
It's so fun.
In Dallas, you'll see a lot of cars that are on like, you know, a drag radial or something, like a lot of S550s, a lot of Fox bodies, things like that. But out here it's like supercars and then old classics and then muscle cars. There's everything. It's really neat.
I love this place. It's so fun. Bro, we just got air and spun in the air.
Oh my god.
I didn't let off the throttle at all when we were in air. I was like, we're sending this.
I didn't even know it was coming up.
Bro, that shows how tight the suspension is. Like, that is perfect. And the way it landed, honestly,
Jesus.
It didn't even lose control though. Like, sometimes that kind of gets sideways. But
I cannot wait to watch the clip of that.
That sounded so fucking sick.
There.
I didn't see
Dude, that hit hard. I was like, Jesus.
That's so
my face on the video is probably like, oh.
It's insane how tight the suspension is. Like, you can feel it just on little bumps.
It's a lot stiffer than anything, you know, stock or even on like a standard coilover. It's a stiff rear suspension.
Very stiff. I love the way this car sounds. Oh, it's so fun.
It's not extra, you know, it's just like the right amount of, you know, pops and bangs and stuff like that. It's not like it's not like those S550s that are just sounds like trumpets, you know, like
right? Where it's like ear piercing. But this thing gets loud. If you're on the outside of it, I feel bad for you. The inside is not as bad. And it has stock interior, so it's actually comfortable.
It's a very comfy car to ride in.
For sure. All that clip's gonna be so funny.
Oh yeah.
This is the back road where all like the dealerships do all their testing and stuff for drives.
Oh yeah.
Because Mercedes and all of them take them all out here. This car's so fun. See, like everyone always wants me to get a supercharger, but I love being able to like fully floor this vehicle and not get myself in like
A ton of trouble.
a ton of trouble
it's a very comfortable everyday street car that's like has flavorful modifications. You know, it's not
Everything
overdone.
you need.
It looks good, it sounds good, it drives good, makes good power. It's a very good daily.
Love it. A lot of great quality parts, so it doesn't break down on me.
Yep.
This thing's never broken down on me. I've only snapped an axle in it, but that was a stock axle, and I got the G-force axles, and it's been great ever since. Done several launches, all of the above. Perfect.
I'm just excited for pizza. We're going to pick up pizza right now. I'm very hungry.
I'm very excited. God, that thing handles so freaking good. Oh my gosh, it's crazy. I'm like kind of trying to get it a little sideways, not like too extra. I'm not like flicking it or anything, but usually when you like floor a rear-wheel drive car like this, it kind of loses its rear end and it just is hooking. Pretty nice for ball tires. Pizza time!
You're pulling up to Lou Malnati's. Sounds really good.
Illuminati, Chicago pizza.
Oh, Lou Malnati's?
Deep dish pizza,
Yeah.
incredible. Well, we're alive.
Barely. That scared me. I said she makes me a little nervous, and yeah.
And then we caught some air. But
Just a
this
little.
thing handles amazing. It's like, I wouldn't trust any other car doing that other than like a pre-runner. But, you know, can't do that in a car very often. It was such a blast. Well, everybody, go be sure to check out Cole Reynolds. He has a YouTube channel and a Instagram and anything else.
No,
That's it.
not really.
Yeah, he also does photography and everything. So be sure to check him out. And thank you as always for watching my video. You guys know I love you so much and I always have the best time making these videos for you guys. And if you guys want, go subscribe and like this video. It helps me out a ton. Leave a comment saying that. Go leave a comment saying that Cole shouldn't have been scared.
I was not expecting that.
That's
She
so
ripped
funny.
in the freaking third, and I went, oh, holy shit!
I like shifted and then it like hit.
Yeah,
I
I was like, oh god.
I
I'm
was
about to
full
die.
throttle that whole thing. That was funny.
It
But
was a
thank
little
you guys. I hope you all have an amazing day or night, whatever time it is, wherever you're at. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.